Hello, my name is Peter and welcome to my channel. Today we'll work with a yarn and I will show you how to work this beautiful waffle stitch scarf. Very simple and fast project. I will work with a yarn that 50 grams is 130 meters and I'll work with the crochet hook 4.5 millimeter. So this project is really soft and warm and a thick one like that. Okay, so enough words and let's start with this project. I will start with a slip knot. And for this stitch we need to chain a multiply of 3. And how many stitches depends on the width of your project that you want. So I will chain 27. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 25, 26, 27. That's multiply of 3 plus 2 chains. Okay? So you need multiply of 3 plus 2 chains. Now we'll work on our row number 1. We'll work a double crochet, so yarn over and into the 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 5th chain from your hook, we'll work double crochet. Double crochet into the next stitch. And in each stitch throughout this row, this chain, we'll work double crochet. Just work one double crochet in each chain. We are at the end of this row 1. We have to work on 2 double crochets now on the last double crochet in this last chain. Now we'll chain 1, turn our work around, and into this last double crochet that we've made we'll work a double crochet. Double crochet into the next stitch. Into the next stitch we'll work front post double crochet. So we won't work into the stitch, but we will go from behind and grab our yarn, pull through, and we'll work a double crochet. Into the next 2 stitches, double crochet. So now we work double crochet as normally. Into the next stitch, front post double crochet. So we'll go from behind, and now we will grab our yarn, pull it through, and work double crochet as normal, like that. So repeat for this row will be 2 double crochets, 1, into the next stitch is 2, then front post double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, front post double crochet, 2 double crochets, front post double crochet. 2 double crochets, front post double crochet, again 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, front post double crochet, again 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, front post double crochet, and you'll finish this row with 2 double crochets. So one in this next stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the third chain of our beginning chains here. And we are done with row number 2. Now we will start with a row 3. We'll chain 1, turn our work around, into the same stitch we'll work double crochet. 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So we started with 3 double crochets. Here's our first, second and third double crochet. Now into the next 2 stitches we'll work front post double crochet. So go from behind and work a double crochet. Front post, then into the next stitch, double crochet. Again 2 front post double crochets, 1, 2, and into the next stitch double crochet. So row 3 is starting with 3 double crochets, then front post, double crochet, front, double. Again 2 front posts, double crochet, 1 and 2, double crochet into the next stitch, 2 front post double crochets, 1, 2, double crochet, front post, normally double crochet, front post, double crochet, again front post, and now we have 3 stitches remaining, and the same as at the beginning of this row we'll work 3 double crochets. So that's 1 into the next stitch, 2, and into our last double crochet. Okay. So this is the back side of our work, and here you can see that our ridges are starting to show. Round 4, we'll chain 1, turn our work around, and we'll start with 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet into the first stitch and double crochet into the next stitch. Now we'll work front post double crochet, then 2 double crochets, 1, 2, front post double crochet, double crochet, front post double crochet. So row number 4 is repeat: double crochet, front post double crochet, front post double crochet. Again 2 double crochets, front post, 2 double crochets, front post, 2 double crochets, front post double crochet, 2 double crochets, front post double crochet. And the same way as we started this row with 2 double crochets, we will finish it with 2 double crochets. So that's 1, and into the last stitch is 2. Chain 1, and we are ready to start the next row. So as you can see, our stitches are emerging out. So basically this is it. From now on until the end of this project, we will repeat rows number 3 and 4. So now it's time. We will turn our work around, and again we will repeat row number 3. We will start with 3 double crochets. So it's 1, 2, 3. As you can see, these 2 stitches pops a little out, and this is a sign that we must work on front post double crochets. So we work 2 front post double crochets, then 1 double crochet, 2 front post double crochets, then double crochet, and again front post, then double crochet. If I turn my work around, you can see these squares showing off. So we'll finish this row, the repeat of row number 3. Now double crochet, and again 2 front post double crochets, 1, 2, double crochet, 2 front post double crochets, 1, 2, double crochet, front post double crochet, and again we have 3 stitches remaining, and we'll work 1 double crochet in each one of them, and we are done with repeat of the row 3. Now we'll chain 1, and guess what, we'll repeat row number 4. So we'll start with 2 double crochets, 1, and into the next stitch is 2 front post double crochet, 2 double crochets, front post, then 2 double crochets, front post, 2 double crochets, front post, 2 double crochets, front post, then again 2 double crochets, front post, 2 double crochets, front post, and this is it. This is the pattern. Very simple, easy, but beautiful, and very, very cozy. And 1 front post. We have 2 stitches remaining, and we'll work with 2 double crochets. Chain 1, and again turn your work around. And this is it. So now you just work a repeat of row 3 and 4. So row 3, 4, 3, 4, and so on. We have here started 1, 2, then row 3, 4, row 3, 4, and so on. So the width of your project, you determine how many chains you will start with, and you start with multiple of 3 chains plus 2. So it's 30, 60, 63 plus 2 is 65 and so on. The height of this project, you determine how many rows you will work. But remember, always finish with row number, repeat of the row number 4. Now if you look, it looks the same here and on this side. If you finish with a row 3, it won't be the same. Okay? And this is it. So continue. Just turn your work and again repeat of the row number 3 with 1, 2, 3 double crochets, then 2 front post double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2 front post, 1 double, and then go this way. And when you go the repeat of the row number 4 is 2 double crochets front post, 2 double crochet front post, 2 double crochet, and so on. So continue this way, and I will meet you at the end of this project. So we are working on repeat of the row number 4, and this is the row that we will finish our project. Double crochet and front post, double crochet, then 2 double crochets. Okay. Now we can chain 1 and cut our yarn, and we are done. See, now we have finished with the row 4, with the repeat of row 4, and it is the same as our start. So our scarf is the same on both ends. So hope you enjoy this short tutorial. This is really beautiful and cozy scarf and a little fun and fast project for a gift or something like that. Okay, hope you enjoy this, and until the next time, enjoy your crocheting and be safe.